Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Motorola One Action, for the first you have to be logged into your Instagram account and just select the picture that you want to download. So I will take this one, and right now let's go for the Play Store and we have to get the special application Repost for Instagram. We can take it also from the quick list, and we have to get this application Repost for Instagram Regram from the KIMC 929. So let's install. Right now let's go back and open Instagram one more time, and if you selected the picture that you want to download, you have to click right here on the three dots in the right corner, then go for the share, and now here swipe until you find, oh sorry, that was the misclick, so let's enter one more time. And right now we have to open the list and find the Repost application. After that we have to go for that application, and here as you can see we get our picture, so let's enter for it. We can take off this signature by choosing this option, and if you want to save you have to tap on this button at the middle. As you can see there's notification that was saved to the gallery, and right now we can check if it is true. So let's go for the files. And as you can see right now in the images we got the picture that we downloaded from the Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.